Good morning. It is Tuesday. I hope you have a terrific one. So today's topic is allergies. For a few reasons. I went to the doctor this week. And when you go to the doctor, even if you've been going to that doctor, they'll ask you stuff like, are there things you're allergic to? And they have down that I'm allergic to Vicodin, which I'm not really allergic to it. I don't know that you would say as allergies are, but I was on it once because of oral surgery. And when I tell you that thing made me act some kind of way that I wasn't ready for, whoa. Like I was having these dreams about decapitating people and things, not people I knew. So don't be concerned. Hold on a second. But I was still having those dreams about doing that. So anyhow, I go to the doctor, right? And they're like, what are you allergic to? And I tell them about the Vicodin thing. And I say, I'm allergic to scales. Like, whenever you make me get on a scale, like, I start, not feeling the greatest because, like, you're making me get on a scale. Who does that? And guess what the doctor does? They still make me get on the scale. Like, what kind of professional are you? Right? Anyhow, so a lot of times, too, like I work in the school system. So we take training on EpiPens, so if somebody has an allergic reaction. So usually when I run into my adult friends that have an EpiPen, I kind of deep down inside, now guys don't think of something wrong, kind of want to bring them what they're allergic to near them just so I can practice using the EpiPen. They're never about it, so I don't do it. Anyhow, what if we actually did stay away from things that we were allergic to? And what if we were allergic to the things that brought us down? Like, I have an allergy to cats. Okay, that's fine. Don't like cats anyhow. Sorry, cat lovers. But what if we made a conscious decision to be allergic to stupidity? And I mean the kind of stupidity where people just say ignorant things. Because what I'm finding is common sense is not common. So, at least once a year, I have this thing where I talk to the Lord and I'm like, okay, Lord, help me to be kinder with my words. Help me to know not to say something, help me to be more patient with people. And it never fails. The minute that prayer goes out my mouth, people seem to say the dumbest things around me. And for some reason, I've self-appointed myself the person that's supposed to correct people's stupidity. But I don't do it in the most tactful way. So what my answer is to stop praying that prayer. And maybe people stop saying stupid things around me until I'm mature enough to handle it in a better way. So I know that. But what I've decided is I'm allergic to failure. I'm allergic to negativity. I'm allergic to anybody trying to bring me down. I've decided to develop an allergy to people, to hate. I'm allergic to prejudice and racism. I am allergic to anything that causes anybody else pain. I'm allergic to bullying. And these allergies have been the greatest thing for me because what I do is, because there's not an EpiPen I can take, is when I am confronted with these things, I move myself away from them. Right? So if I'm allergic to, let's say, a cat, and I see a cat over there, I'm not going over to the cat to pet it. Right? So if I know somebody is constantly negative, and I've decided I'm allergic now to negativity, for what possible reason would I spend time around that person? If I decide that I'm allergic to bullying and I know somebody's a bully, for what reason would I not correct their bullying? If I'm allergic to something, I don't want to be around it, right? So, guys, you don't have to be in a space that makes you uncomfortable. Being uncomfortable happens to be your allergic reaction to that space. Remove yourself from that space, because eventually those allergies will eat away at you and destroy you. And it's not worth being destroyed over pettiness, over other people's ignorance, over their opinion of you, over their need to watch you fail. You don't need an EpiPen. You are the EpiPen. Remove yourself from those things that you don't want to be, those things you no longer want to be associated with or were never associated with. Treat them like something you're allergic to, something that will make you break out, something that could cause you your life, and remove yourself from those situations. You have the power to do that. I challenge you to do that today. I refuse to be around anything I'm allergic to, except that scale. I can't get the doctors to do anything about that. But anyhow, have a blessed day. Be good to each other. Make this a terrific Tuesday. Bye.